NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.1, Question number 17. A line intersects the y-axis and x-axis at the points P and Q, respectively. If 2, -5 is the midpoint of PQ, then the coordinates of P and Q are, respectively, option A, 0, -5 and 2, 0, option B, 0, 10 and -4, 0, option C, 0, 4 and -10, 0, option D, 0, -10 and 4, 0. Now let us find the answer. Let us draw the points on a graph. We have x-axis and negative y-axis. Since the midpoint is 2, -5, we have a negative y coordinate. The line intersects y-axis at point P and intersects x-axis at point Q. The midpoint of PQ is 2, -5. Let the point P is equal to 0, y. We have taken x coordinate as 0 because the point P is on y-axis. And let us take Q as x, 0 since the point is on x-axis. We are given that 2, -5 is the midpoint of the line joining P and Q. Let us consider point P as x1, y1 and point Q as x2, y2. And the formula for the midpoint of the line segment joining points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That is equal to, let us substitute the values. x1 is 0 plus x2 is x divided by 2. y1 is y plus y2 is 0 by 2. Let us equate the x coordinates. Upon equating the x coordinates, we get 2 is equal to x by 2. That implies x is equal to 2 times 2 is 4. Now let us equate the y coordinates. Upon equating y coordinates, we get -5 is equal to y by 2. That implies y is equal to -5 times 2 is -10. X is equal to 4. That implies q x, 0 is equal to 4, 0. Y is equal to -10. Therefore, P 0, y is equal to 0, -10. And we have to find the points P and Q in the options 0, -10 and 4, 0. Option D. Therefore, option D is the right answer.